Blend avocado in a blender, a genius recipe a snack bar owner taught me. In a blender, add avocado pulp, half a red onion, some parsley and chives. Now 2 garlic cloves, a teaspoon of black pepper, and 2 tablespoons of salt. Adjust the amount to your taste. Let's also add half a cup of milk. Squeeze in the juice of 1 lemon. Now just cover and blend it really well. Next, open it up and add 3 tablespoons of oil. Cover again and blend everything once more. Now folks, let's transfer our avocado mayo to a container. You can store it in your container in the fridge. I used a container with a lid here. To make it even better, after chilling, transfer it to a mayo dispenser. But you can use it straight from the container if you prefer. This mayo is perfect with crackers, bread, or in your sandwiches. Folks, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. This was another quick recipe from Paolo in the kitchen. Take care and see you soon. Until next time, thanks everyone.